Hi and welcome to North London Allotment. It's September and it's time to get cutting. This is one of my brief stops at the allotment just before getting my daughter from school. I have brought my trusty secateurs because there's only one thing I need to do today, and that is to start trimming all those leaves off the tomato plants. September, it feels very autumnal today. It hasn't really heated up today, so it's time to get cutting on these plants and get rid of all the green matter. All we want left now are the tomatoes, because the plant will now put all its energy into ripening the tomatoes, which is what we want. There has been around, so we want to get these ripened as quickly as possible. We want to harvest them. We can't mess around at this time of year. No, it looks naked, but it's got a better chance of ripening now. I know it seems a bit harsh to cut off things that still have flowers on, but these flowers don't have time to become a big ripe tomato. There's just no point the plant putting their energy into these flowers when it could be putting its energy into the green tomatoes and making them red or yellow. I'm going to make a secret confession. I actually want some of them to stay green because Richard and Paul have this really lovely green tomato curry recipe that I want to try. So I don't mind if a couple of them stay green because I'm going to make that. Not perfect, not finished, but enough to be getting on with. And tomorrow, if I come back with a bit more time, I will try and do the rest. As I'm sure you know, I find other YouTubers a really good resource, and this is where I was made aware it's time to trim the tomatoes. So if you have a chance and you haven't before, do hop over and find some new YouTubers to watch. Erica's Little Welsh Garden, Richard and Paul, Vivi. There's so many great gardening YouTubers out there. And I would also say follow either on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram people who allotment, who garden, who grow tomatoes. Because of that, I know that South London has had, for about just under a week, I know it hit Tony Stevens, another great YouTuber, hit him in Swindon yesterday. It is going to move north, so I think I've got about a week to get these ripe, get them harvested before it could move up here to North London. So until next time, go trim some tomatoes, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.